Hey guys, what's up? It's Ace Cuber here, and today we're gonna have another unboxing, some exciting new cubes. So let's get into it. I'll just show it here. I got 3 cubes. This is the most exciting. This A7M, and I bought some fairly kind of old cubes, so I'll just get started in the Volt. I bought another Volt Square one because my Volt magnetic slice from Cubicle Labs is broken. All the edge pieces is broken and I wanted to fix it, so I'll replace all the edges of that cube for this. So yeah, just another screw. Okay, just another square one. Very sandy, kind of fast, but I think it's not lube. Yeah, you can hear that. Very awesome cube. This is my main, the Cubicle Labs Volt M, but I will use this for spare parts. So I bought another Volt 3 and I want to magnetize this cube for backup main for my Cubicle Labs Volt M. So I got magnets upcoming, so yeah, some pamphlets here. So let's get straight away in the cube, because I think I have 4 Volt 3s now and 1 Volt M. So the things, yeah, it's a simple bulk, very tight and kind of papery. I think it's lube, not sure though because it's kind of sandy. Yeah, bulk M. So this is the most exciting thing, the A7M. Whew, I'm so excited for this. My main now is, for now, it's the WooGM, magnetized by Miguel. It's a very good cube, but maybe I can't use it now because it has dents. So like that and that, I think, and that. So yeah, it's kind of heavy and kind of slow now and kind of worn out, so I need a new main. So I bought this. So let's get into it. I'm super excited for this cube. I have been waiting a long time for this. So yeah, huge shout out for Crisantalota for these cubes. So yeah, a very nice box. Okay, so some extra magnets, and I don't know what is this. And Kevin Hayes pamphlet. So yeah, let's get into the cube. It's I think it's lighter. Okay. I tried this before in Visayas Championships 2018 from Kuya Richmond. Thank you, Kuya, for letting me try the A7M, and it's very good. And I wanted this for a long time now, so I finally had it. Okay, so shades, very nice. So tensions, okay, it's kinda tight, not sure yet. So first turns, okay, yeah, this is really fast. Inner layers are really fast and fluid. The magnetic click is perfect. So inner layers, oh yes, this is very fast. It's kind of sandy for now, and I'll try to set this up a little bit, maybe tension it, I don't know. I will try a solve for this later. And yeah, very smooth, very fast. Corner cutting. Okay. Oops. Okay. Ooh. I noticed this, that the corners are kind of sharp compared to the Woodji. This is kind of round and this is very sharp. So yeah, very good cube. Okay, let's try a checkerboard. I can't wait to solve this thing. Very nice shades. Instant main. And yeah, there's a Hay7 logo. Very nice. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and maybe I will make a review for the Hay7M because it's very good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.